And welcome to my live stream. So, if for some reason you see this live stream as a recording, you probably are not subscribed to my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on. So make sure you fix these two things, okay? Also, make sure you join this broker you see up there right now, because it's more fun to join my live streams if you're using the same broker like me. So you find the link below the video, and you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on the first deposit, okay? Now, welcome for the people coming in. I, as always, are now going to start to prepare everything. We will have everything in order in a couple of minutes, so just bear with me, okay? So now let's see what we can do here now. I'm going to set up a couple of things. Just wait a little. Let's see. Let's choose that one. Ah, I think that is okay there. Now, yes, see you. Eternal, good morning, nice to see you. Still setting up a few small things here now, so we have things in order. There, I think we are ready. Craig, good morning, nice to see you. Yeah, then let's choose the pairs we're going to trade today. Close everything here now. Solana we can keep open. Let's go to the cryptocurrency first. Ethereum Classic, like that one. Oh, okay. Let's search here now. Trying to remember which ones have done good for us in the past. Let's take Polygon. Let's keep to that for now. Let's take currencies. Let's choose payout most. Let's skip the OTC and go for this one. Payout most. This one. That one. Let's skip to this for now. Then I think we have quite a lot of ones to choose from. Okay, and as always, help me out in YouTube. Make sure you like the video. This is things to make it more fun for me, because more people will not join this live stream, so make sure you do that. Okay, and for new people coming in, also you find a link to Discord. We are live there also. There it's more smooth, and it's 100% live. In YouTube we have a lag of around 8-9 seconds. You can still follow the trades, but it's better on Discord, so make sure you join in there. Okay, now let's see. And the reason it's just a small number here, I was helping one person yesterday, was a little about trades, if they were done right away. So I did show a few trades, so a few So you see this $1 trades, that is just showing that the trades are taken right away. Okay, so we have that out of the picture. Now let's see if we can find something that will be interesting to take. Solana, I will say we need to wait a little. Interest area will be down there, so you can mark it with a blue line at least. There. By the way, for the ones that have come into my live stream and presented themselves, I see Craig and Mortal, have you done any trading since yesterday? Yesterday we had 100% win rate. Of course, we are not going to manage that every single time, but I will do my best at least. So, but by the way, have you done any trading? Let me know. Now I see our interest area here now. This looks, you see, moving a little upwards. Now this too was a little lower. It's down here that is the good area, so I do not think I will trade in the middle area. I've explained that before. It's not something I like to do. I like to trade in the top or bottom, not the middle. So let's skip that for now. Let's rather hope we come down there. That's the area you want to trade. Greg, yes. Okay, that is good. That is good. Then you are $40 in profit, and that's good. There you see why. Here you broke even lower. So yes, let's keep to the these regions here. Polygon, let's take a look there. Here we see a trend going downwards. Yes, it's not perfect right here, but still. Looks like here actually we did break it. Let's see what will happen. And we don't see a specific area in the bottom, so we stay away from Polygon for now. Let's check here. Australian dollar against Japanese yen. I will say I don't see anything special here either. What you can see, we see a small trend going on here. You see? So that's the only thing that I can clearly see. Will I take a trade on this trend line? No, I will not do so, but we are aware, because we can also see that we are going into a squeeze here now. See here, we have a trend going upwards and downwards, so he will very soon now need to choose to break down or to break up. So it's not tradable here now. Let's continue. Down here, this is an area that I find very interesting. Let's see. Down here, I will take up there. We got in. Now let's see my trade. I was a little fast here. I was even a $10 trade. Maybe that was good. Let's wait and see. Thankfully, it got just a $10 trade. I was supposed to push this to be 100. It got only 10.10. We are pushing down here now, but we see this is a strong region, so we can still win this trade. I will be both happy and angry if I win, because then I win only $10, and I will be happy and angry if I lose also. So it's a lose-win situation, and we won it. You see, that is what I'm telling about. That is a little annoying. We got instead of a win there, that would be good. we just got like $8, but still I take it. But now he did break below, so I'm not that interested more. At least we got ourselves $8 win. Like I said, nothing crazy. Now, this region here from yesterday looks good today also. I do like it. I will change this one for a red one. Now we are ready with $100. So if we get up there again, yes, I will take the trade. Let's remove this for now so you can see everything better. Let's zoom in. We need to be aware of one thing. You can see we have a loop here now of a strong trend going upwards. We always, thankfully, it looks like he's breaking it here now. That is good, because we do not like when it's a trend like this. He's breaking it very strongly actually. Okay, for now we need to be waiting here also. But up here is the only interest area we have right now. I don't see anything else that I'm interested in here. So let's move on. Euro against New Zealand. Down here might be area, but I would like to have at least one test. Down in this region could be something. We know that this support here is pretty strong also. So and also this area up here looks promising. By the way, when I put a blue line, we are not trading the blue lines. That is just for you to. I don't typically I don't even use blue lines when I trade manually myself. That is something I just use for you guys so you can see where I'm thinking about putting in either up in here, for example, a red line, and down here a green line. This is for you all to see so you know ahead what I'm thinking. And it's easier for you to do the same and fast to change to green or red line. Okay, so that is to be quite frankly, I do not even use lines when at all. Not red line, not green line, nothing. I just see the areas and I trade them. But I use that for basically, so it's easy for anyone to follow my trades, basically. Now let me see if there are any questions till now. I'll check the academy first. Gems, we are not going to use any indicators. That's something that I don't believe in, and basically indicators will make so you will lose money in the long run. So we are not going to use any indicators. We are trading completely without indicators. Okay. Let me check if there are any questions in Discord. Let me bring up the chat. No question in Discord. Okay, then we will just continue. So let's go back to Solana. Okay. This blue line here now looks more and more promising, by the way. Up here we are not trading. I will more be interested up in this region here. Let's check Ethereum Classic. Still in this. It looks like he wants to break to the downside. But we do also have a support here, so that will not be easy. It's actually a very good support down there. Down in this region. I will even go as far as put a green line there. The probability that will break this line here I see as very low. Let's remove these things here now. It's still holding pretty good, this one at least, so I need to be aware of that. There, see, he pinned it correctly on that line, but I think I will take a trade on this green line down here. Let's see. Little tired from morning, I think. Maybe I will need to make a coffee later. I would like to get a trade and then maybe while the trade is going, make a coffee. That could be a good idea. Let's see here now first. Should we take a trade on the trend line? It's not something I typically do. Let's see if I take the trade here now. Let's see what will happen. Now we would be in the money for now. That's the thing, you see, you can take trades on the trend line. We see it's a beautiful trend line downwards. I would move my trend line a little there, you see, in the spikes here, fits better. So you see pinned then, if you say then, it's pinned very correctly on the trend line. So it is something that you can do, is to trade on the trend line. If go up again, let's do it. Let's go for that. Still much space down to the squeeze area down here. Yes, you can say there's squeeze here also, but let's see. This one is not it's strong also, but let's see. I think we might get in one trade at least. If we go too far, I will mark it so people can see what I'm thinking. We have one more area around here. Let's make this one a blue line. So, but you see he's breaking it quite easily right now. So you can see the squeeze was real in that region. So it's a little scary because this support here might be the one to break up, so that's why I think it's not reliable more to do this. So let's make it blue again. Sometimes I will do these type of things, and that's why it's good you join me in Discord. I will decide one thing, but I can change it later. No, this was not hurtful even in YouTube because they take long time enough. But when I changed it, he did not go up to this line. But even though it's better you join me in Discord, because then every chances I do will be exact live for you. Because like I said, there are, while I do things, I might see other things that will change my trades. And that's why Discord is much better, because there is no lag in Discord. But like I said before, I prefer people use the chat in YouTube, because that's the only chat I'm following. I do go into Academy where I'm trading, every like 10 minutes, and same I do with Discord, so you can ask me in that two platforms also, but I check only each 10 minutes. Okay. Very slow day today. We got in just one trade, and that was a mistake trade. It was supposed to be $100, but was $10 instead. We did win it, but it was just exactly a win. It was not a good one, we can say. I don't know if it's a good and bad wins, but it was in the last second we won it, so yeah, I call it a bad win. Like I said, if I can call something a bad win. We are still waiting here now. We have not got so much trading. We've been here now live for 21 minutes. I don't like when we go so long time without trading. Down here looks interesting, by the way. I do like it. I will take a trade down there. If you get down there again, let's see. And I will put my line a little up there. Let's see. We are trending downwards. We need to be careful, okay? So this is not a super good zone, but it's the best we have and it's good enough. So let's see if we get down there again. I will go in with the up trade. We are on Swiss francs against Japanese yen. So it would be nice to get in the first trade. If I get this trade here, I will, while the trade is going on, I will go and make myself some coffee. Hardly needed coffee, because I start to be feel a little the tiredness. I need to remember, for me this is at 7 in the morning. I start very early my live sessions. At least this is early for me that are in Brazil. And for the ones that can feel my broken English, the broken English come from Norway. So for the ones that wonder. Now we also can see here we do have a trend going downwards, something like this that we are aware of. But I will take a trade on here now. We have enough space yet. Come on now. I need coffee. It would be nice now to get a trade on there now. Okay, he pinned the trend line perfectly there now. Perfect pin. Okay, he got a little above it. But if we change, we can see if we take our time to make it. Even though it looks like he's breaking it now, because this looks to be a perfect line from before. But it can also be a fake out, so let's see where he closes. Looks to be a fake out of the trend. No, he closed it above. That means we probably will not go down to this line. We will check back a little later. Now let's zoom out here. We are in a no man's zone down here. We are not finding any trades today. This one is 60% as you know. We are trading 60%. Let's see if I can find something else. It's so slow today that it's not even funny. Bitcoin, I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't know why. Let's check Bitcoin for fun. I have actually never traded Bitcoin, I think. We see a trend there. That now got broken. Interest area might be down here. Let's Let's remove this or take a horizontal line instead. Yesterday we had 100% win rate, we got in a few trades, but today, no, it's very slow. I need to admit, very slow today. But I have said before, and I'll say again, it's better to have a slow day and take few trades than just be hunting trades. Because if there are no setups, you're not supposed to take a trade either. So it's a learning experience also, that when you come in, it's not like you're supposed to take this and this many trades each hour. Typically, I will say we are getting between 4 and 15 trades in hour. Always depends. But it's also, if you go in one day and you, like me, you get one trade, and one trade did not even give me money. Then I got like $8 because I did a mistake. I did $10 trade instead of 100. The thing is, it's better that you do no trades, because we're going to keep a big win rate, and then we need to keep to our plans. Okay, now let's see here now. I'm interested to see where this bar is going down to, and from that see how we are dealing with a trade here now. Let's see. Like now, the way he's breaking down now, it's very difficult to me to justify any type of trading on Bitcoin here now. This for me, it's not something that I'm interested in to trade at all. So nope for Bitcoin. Okay, the trend here is broken at least, but nothing more to do here. Ethereum Classic. We do not like this spike here. Let's reset the chart. Not much we can do here. But yes, today is the day things are trending. Okay, we were down here again. I think if we go down here again, I will take it. It's the best we have. This Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. Let's see. I'm ready. I need to go make coffee. We need a trade. Let's go down there now. Little more. Very good. Follow the trade. Let's see. Okay, how did this go? Yes, we won that trade. Looks like everyone won it also. Super good. Let's add that into the calculation. Now let's bring up the calculator. Calculator. Now we have coffee, then things are better. Okay, let's throw in the $8 on the first. Plus 78. So a profit of $86. Cool. Now, when that is said, I will move my line down to around this region there. That is where I will take trades from now on. So let's see. So then we all have a win under our belt. That is good. Let's move this trend line a little more out. We see we are still respecting this trend line, so we are very some of that. But we still have too much space here, so we can still trade in the bottom. Let me check super fast if we have any questions in let's see. No questions in Discord. Let's check the Academy. Okay, looks like people are taking a trade there also and finish it in profit. That's Rich Marisa. Okay, then let's continue. We are getting close to trade again. I'm ready to go in. And now as you get coffee, we'll get it more sharp so we can concentrate a little better here. So, like I said, we have 2 trades today, 2 winners. We are in. Beautiful entry. Now let's see how this will play out. Okay, he's breaking more down this time. Is he really going to break things for us here now? It looks like that. I think we'll get a loser here now. Did not like that. I don't see anything else in the bottom there. Nothing to do. This will be a loser, guarantee you that. So no one take a trade on future team here. Let's make it blue. So we lost that one. That was annoying. That means it will be like a few dollar in minus. It should have been plus, but because of this one should have been around $78 also, but nothing we can do. Minus 100. We are now $14 in minus. Okay. That was super annoying. It's actually the first losing trade for a little while here now. If you could check this win rate we had here. Don't count this. This is just testing trades I did for a friend that had some issues. Now, when that is said, I do see a region down here. Put it green and let's see if you get down there again. Let's zoom in. I'm really interested down there. Let's see. Come on now. Alright. Again. let's wait 45 seconds. If win this now, the thing is, the win rate today is, if I win this now, it's pretty good, by the way, because this is a win. It's just that it was not $100. I did put $10 instead. So we have then 3 wins out of 4. That is good. But as this was just a small trade, it feels lower the profit. But now let's see. Let's see if we can win this first. I'll not count my winnings like that first. But for now we are in profit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and we got it. Sweet. And everyone that did take this trade did win. Can you confirm that you won this trade? Plus 78. We are now in $64 profit. Perfect eternal. Perfect, Craig. Okay, then we are good. Then from my calculations, you both should have 2 wins and 1 loss. Is that correct? Because everyone didn't take this trade here, they lost. No question up there. This trade, I don't think anyone did take, because I didn't take it right away I came in. I'm still annoyed that I didn't have a $100 trade, but nothing to do. Now what I can see here now, we have a trend going downwards that now also will work as a support-ish thing. So this one is even more beautiful now. So, but this also can be something that makes you get the momentum to start to go upwards. So I'm not expecting us to be able to trade so much more on this line, but let's wait a couple of more minutes and see. Oh, okay. Okay, but 2-2 is not that bad. Then you are a little in minus, Greg. We repaired that with 1 more win for you, and you should be golden. And Eternal, very good, 3-1. That is also amazing. Then you are in profit at least. So, Craig, then we will. You're just 1 trade away from profit, basically. So now let's see. I really hope that we don't break up here now, but typically after a trend line like this and broke a trend line, we most of the time at least we go to the middle zone. That will be around here. That is where I think he will go up to and test. So the area I'm thinking about, it's I think he will go up and test around this region. Because typically like that, when you are can markets, people see it properly. What I'm talking about. We had a trend going down here, right? Very strong trend that is. And when you break a trend, you always will get a movement up. Not always, but most of the time. And in that times, most of the time, you go to the half zone. Half zone in this case is around here. And in extreme times, you go all the way up to the trend started. But I will say at least 80% chance that it will go up to this area here. But might take a little while, but I think we'll get up here. So that is an area interested that we can maybe do a down trade, but we need at least 1 test first to see exactly where it is. But for now we are also going to trade this green line if for some reason we come down and test there again. Oh, let's see. We just need to stay patient. Okay, I'm ready. Looks like we maybe can get a trade here now. Maybe. We are ready to take it. No. By the way, let me check very fast how long time we've been trading. We're trading 40 minutes, so we have 20 minutes left, so we have good time left. Okay. We are ready to go in. This is on euro against New Zealand, dollar. Come on now. Almost. A little more and we take it. That was close, but not close enough. Thing is, with binary option and like Forex, you need to have some patience. See now, for example, we need to have patience, so we don't take a trade before the time. We are ready and we only take a trade. I will zoom in so we see a little better. I'm in. I did not like the break here. Let's see. I will not trade more on this line, by the way, just because of that. Let's make it blue. But let's see now. Hopefully he go up from there now when we all can be in the money. "30 seconds left. We are in and out of the money currently. $20. Okay, now we get. Come on, give us a strong move in the top now. We deserve that. Ooh, come on. 4, 3, 2, and wow, I won it. But this was here. I did not like it because probably some of you lost it. Let me know. Did you win it, Craig? And Eternal. Then you were lucky also, Craig. And Eternal, did you win? Let me know. Okay, you lost. Yeah, that was what I was worried about. I don't like when some of us win and some lose. This was a terrible one. I don't like when I see things like this, but also when I click it, I came in quite good down here, but most of the time when I see that, I do not even enter because I know that when you break below it. But sometimes I have said before, and some of you have said the same, it's difficult. It's like the finger is like forcing to push down because I see that I was far below, but even then I click it and I'm not supposed to do that. If we see he break too far down below, we are not supposed to click. But you see, even I do that. I do that miss. So this was a trade. I should not have taken my trade, taken myself, but I did. Now I did win it, but it was pure luck. I think it was not even the last second. I think it was like a quarter of a second he did shoot up right above, so I won this trade. So I got super lucky, and I guess that was the case for you also, Craig. But like I said, I don't like when I see these type of things, because I like to take trades where everyone can win. Like yesterday, there were no doubts. Every trade we take was perfect. So by the way, I will put in my calculation, 78. So my profit is now 142. That means Eternal, you are still in profit. You are 3 against 2. But as you won there, Craig, that means you are in profit also. So in that way, at least all that is writing, at least in the chat, are in profit. Let me check that one. Yeah, we could be interesting down here. I can agree on that. Down here can be interesting. Let's I'll actually do that. I agree with you there, Craig. Here down here would be quite nice. Let's see. But we need a very good entry. You see that he broke a little farther down here. I don't like when I see that, but still, it's as he did go up from there, and the closed bars are pretty good. I think we can. Yeah, I think I'll take a trade there. That's it. You are ready? Now I will, if I see he break fast down below here, I will this time around try not to take a trade. Let's see. There. See now? This time around I did what I said I was not going to do. No, said what I was going to do. I see he broke super fast down, and he did go well past our line. And when we see that, don't trade. Because, like I said, I did not like this one, so I was following, especially on that. So I know this is difficult in the start to follow exactly. But if you see he's shooting very fast down, and it's so fast that don't even manage to push the button, they don't push the button. Ah, good, Greg, then you did correctly. Now, if you have taken the trade, you probably did lose the trade. But yes, we always need to be aware when we see the signs. You always, if you see he breaks super fast in the line, don't take it, because that's always a bad sign. You're not supposed to take the trade down. So, Eternal, did you take the trade, or did you hold back also? Let me know. And if you did take the trade, did you win or lose? I will guess you did lose, if you did take it. It's just for me to know, so people are following what I'm saying, and if what I'm saying is clear. Okay, that means you probably did lose it then. That's not good. Then I guess you are more or less a little in minus for now. Let's check the crypto. Down here is beautiful, by the way. I like, in this case, I like when I see that they go higher and higher, because that make it safer, you know. Then when that is said, also we are far away from this line. Polygon. This have been one of these days that it's a little difficult to find trades, and today we have not had this type of trades I like. Yesterday we had many of them, was easy to follow yesterday. Today have not been that clear. We have not had clear winners, even though win rate is very good. I have let me see, 5 trades for winners. My profit would have been a little better if it was not for this one here that I forgot to change to 100, by the way. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Here you see what I was talking about, by the way. Remember I talked about this, about the trend line that go downwards. Then when you break it, you go to the half point, or you can go up to the start. You see here, he go surpass the half point. Okay, so it's not normal he always do that, but in this case we see he did that. Like here you see a trend broke and he never did go up either. He did choose to go down instead. So let me see if there are any questions. We have now been trading 51 minutes. In Discord there are no questions. Now let's go over to the Academy. We are Stanley, we are trading on IQ Sense. You find a link in the chat. For the ones that in YouTube, you find it pinned in the chat. Okay, so yes, we are trading on IQ Sense, that's the thing. And now you're not going to trade on 2 minutes, you are going to trade on 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now, by the way, I'm thinking about adding one more platform into my live stream. I'm thinking to add one more. I don't need to mention it now, I will get to it later. But I'm thinking about adding one more platform to getting more people. Because I see this, my system is handling it quite good to be in multiple platforms. Because whatever we can do to get more people, that's something. Okay, Euro New Zealand. Let me check that one. Okay, yeah, I would say also down here looks pretty good. I will take also come down there. Let's see now. And good for you, Greg. I like when you guys take there. I mean, you take trades outside of my signals. I like that. Let's see here now if we can win this. We need to wait ourselves for 46 more seconds. Currently he's just because I did go in now, he start to play a little with us here down here now. Come on now, don't break down. We need to wait more, 26 seconds, come on. 24, 22, come on. 20, yes, come on. If we win this now, we start to have a very decent win rate today. 10 more seconds, we are deep in the money currently. And yes, I think all of us win this trade. I like this, this is perfect. Yes, deep in the money. Anyone took this trade, won this trade. This is what I like to see. So I will not trade more here, by the way. Let's make it blue, because I don't like when you make lower. So let's put into the calculation plus 78 We are now at $220 profit. Ah, okay. Okay. That is a good technique. I didn't even I didn't know that myself. Okay, cool. That is something that can give us much better entries. Thank you so much, Eternal, for that information. Also, he basically, when we come to a line, he hold in the mouse and release it when he see that it's started go up. That can give us much better entries. So yes. And also, when you're getting close to line, just to hold it and release it. I like that. I have never tried it. But that was something new. I did not know that would work. That is cool. Thank you so much for that information, Eternal. So yes, today we have a very good win rate also. We have now taken 6 trades and 5 winners. That is amazing. And last few trades have been deep in the money, so that is good, because that means everyone wins. So that makes me happy. Let me see how we are in time. We are very close to the ending bell now. So today, by the way, I will do a second live session. It will be in 4 hours, maybe a slightly longer. Typically, I will take it in exactly 4 hours. But it might, maybe I take it like 30 minutes later, okay? So maybe in 4 hours, 30 minutes, there will be a second live session today. But yes, today there will be a second live session. That is a promise. So, other than that, make sure you sign up with this broker here. You find a link pinned in the chat. Use the promo code, and also there are very soon going to come a new promo code. I will name it like Alpha 1 or something like that. Just wait for that. It will come very soon. Okay. So, thank you all for keeping me company. And yes, it will, Craig. It will be there. So that will be in 4.5 hours-ish. So be ready for that. Okay. Now it's an ambulance outside here now, so I don't know what that is about. No, it's going away, thankfully. Okay, so yes, be aware there will be a second live session today, and help me out. I will make a recap video very soon. Make sure you comment and like that video, because that helps me to bring in new people into these live sessions also. And for new people that is here right now, like I said, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find link in the chat, and if you see this as a recording, it's a link below the video. And make sure you use a promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. Okay. Now, thank you, Craig. Thank you, Eternal, to keep me company in this live session. Helps me out tremendously. It's make my time much faster, so I can keep a conversation going. Okay. Plus, I get some feedback on the trades, and that is very important for me, because I do want everyone to make money when they're trading live. Okay. So have an amazing day, and I see you all in the later session today. And for the ones that want to trade here, we will be back again same time tomorrow. So with that, have an amazing day.